I'm Ron Ellen. In studio with me is Precious Watson, IRN USA reporter. We're talking to Kyle Forty of Forty Education. And Kyle, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of this thing. Your generation and the generation that Precious Watson, our reporter, represents will be the next generation that will be in the catbird seat, the seat of government in this country. How do you view what's going on right now, not only worldwide, but primarily in this country? We're being taxed to death. The government's trying to take everything over. They're trying to turn us green. Where are you on all this stuff?
To put it in short, I feel that no matter what our circumstance, our duty remains the same, every generation and every person, to live to the full for God and for His commandments, and simply to be responsible both in faith and in how we take our responsibilities, and not to take them lightly, but to understand just what you said. We are in times where there's a lot of uncertainty and there's a lot of questioning, where if we are properly educated and we're properly able to engage other people in the Word of God and in truth, that we can take those answers, and in a world that has a lot of tossing and turning and questions, we're able to realize that we are equipped to give an answer and to understand that our duty doesn't change, and we can live life passionately and to the full, loving other people and working out each issue every single day, and still have an excitement within us to get up every morning and do what we can.
I couldn't agree more, Kyle. I think it's almost our responsibility to really know the truth and then to apply it in our lives. And, honestly, we're the next generation that's going to be, working with this country and seeing where it goes and everything. So, obviously, if we're going to take responsibility for that, we need to educate ourselves, not only in current events, history, but also biblical truth. So, couldn't agree with you more. Going back to the 40 education, what exactly is the setting for a classroom? Are they sitting on the floor and you're just talking above them? Are you all sitting in a circle? How does it work?
Yeah, well, we try not to make it too much like a powwow or anything, but we do indeed encourage professionalism in everything that we do. We like to reserve, for example, churches or settings like that where we're able to have classrooms, we have tables, if students actually come to class business casual, and we feel that, if people present themselves well, both in dress and appearance and in attitude, that they'll be able to learn that much better and be able to think clearly and to apply that. And so our setting is one that is encouraged to be professional. But then, of course, too, once we get into the classroom, once we do start learning, things just take off, and we have great conversations. We're laughing. We're doing we're passing along bits of information that could be outrageous or this, that, or the other, right along the time that we are being, of course, passionate and serious about truly applying these principles to everyday life in whatever we do.
Now, it's my understanding that you are not in this alone. You have a co-instructor, if I'm not mistaken, Hope Nowak. Can you tell us a little bit about her?
Yes, well, she, again, this is something that I could not have even come close to doing without her. She has been really at my side every step of the way, and we've really been in it all together. And she and I share the same passion here and have really the same vision. It was interesting when we were talking about it last summer when I was working with her, and even before last summer. But we've been able to share with each other a lot of the things that we see and what we're reacting to, and realizing that, wow, we have a duty here, we have a responsibility. Look at this opportunity. We've both come, she has come from a great family setting as well, very strong parents, and she also desires to give back and to share her passion and her feelings as well, and to be able to encourage other students to walk in truth. She works great with younger people and is able to explain things so well. She really she complements very well to my crazy song and dance.
Kyle, I'm sorry to interrupt, but our time is just about up. I'd like you to get your website out and how people can contact you in the closing seconds.
Okay, my website again is 40education.org. That's FORTI education.org, and you can get all the other information there.
Thank you. With the nation in the hands of people like Precious Watson and Kyle Forty, we'll be in good hands, friends. Thank you, Kyle. More News and Views in a moment.
Stay right here. There's more News and Views with Dr. Larry Bates, Chuck Bates, and you, right here on the Information Radio Network.